Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Them. It was them.
Crowdsourced alerts is on.
Why he at school with shorts on? Oh, Lord.
Oh, what the heezy?
No. Beat the horn at this dude. Can we follow him, please? I done worked out. I'm all right.
Phone call prices.
Yeah, that's what
party schedule at downstairs.com.
Oh shit! Gosh.
Let's
go this way for a minute.
Yeah.
To the
Tommy Tuberville of Alabama, he's running for governor as well. About the latest on the Save America Act and more.
He's still going and he's up.
Obviously, he's a busy guy.
Due to the policies of Joe Biden, Dana Bash, Anderson Cooper did talking about the policies of the president resulting in the deaths of American citizens. This time the media thinks they have a big issue.
Come on, man. Seriously? Don't you do it. Don't you.
It's just going to be a good day today. I'm just going to make it a good day. Well, then out of nowhere, what?
It all veers off the service road, see? There is no red.
Huh?
That is the service road.
We're gonna be
God damn! Oh, I got that on dash cam, bro. God, are they okay? Holy
yeah.
Take Duke, Opal, Booker, Adams, and Mose into engineering. They'll launch your attack and secure engineering 45 minutes after we step off. Opal, try not to break anything in engineering. We need it intact to get control of the ship. Go with you, Opal said, tapping the butt of
this new governorship, if only to prevent the slaughter of war with the Legion and rogue Republic military units engaging in operations against you. Though at this time, all we can offer is support.
And that sometimes it's not because the ones who can't be are evil and naturally treacherous. Only a matter of otherwise good people being pushed too far by computers. That only gets worse when matters of faith get cranked into the situation.
Peace. The old man gave a little sigh. To me as well. Annika said you wanted to see me, Jack said softly. The better to bring Gorgiev back.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.